Hi, I'm Fiona Crackles. I'm going into second year at Durham University, studying sport and exercise science. I'm in Collingwood College and play for the women's ones. I chose Durham mainly because of the hockey programme and balancing and being able to balance my academics really well as well. So the strength in my course and the hockey programme is a very, very lucky opportunity. I don't think many universities do it as well as us, and the understanding and consideration that academics do come first, but hockey is a close second, and the coaches and players, we have a lot of interactions and conversations to balance these. I don't think I felt ever that I was had to sacrifice my academics for hockey. I think we're always trying to liaise the best way for you to work out travel, away days, and everyone is very understanding. So that is a huge strength. My highlight this year has been, as a team, we are so united and so tight. Our culture is extremely strong, and I think that goes to show on the pitch. And our results last season, it worked extremely hard and developed phenomenally as a team, and I think we are one of the grittiest teams out there, and you can't fault our programme or our work rate, which is a culture that we breed. It comes from the coaches down through the captains, and by the end everyone is a leader on that pitch. I think the biggest taking away from this year will be my positional play development, and that completely stems from the strength in our coaches this season. Their knowledge is overwhelming, and everything that you learn, the little snippets through all the trainings, really come together and really round you as a player. Socially, I think our club is one of the best clubs to be part of. As a team, you get to know all the other teams, and onto the men's side from the first down to the fifth. Wednesday nights are so much fun. Dressing up, I'm definitely going to miss the amount of fun and silliness as a first year. I think it's one of the best times, and I can't wait for that next year. And just having a laugh and bringing people closer together. You meet your best friends through the hockey club, and cannot fault that in the slightest.